Mr. Speaker, if I decide to wear a turban, or you decide to wear a cross, or he decides to wear a kippah or a skull cap, or she decides to wear a hijab or a burqa, does that mean that it is open season for right honourable members of this House to make derogatory and divisive remarks about our appearance? For those of us who from a young age have had to endure and face up to being called names such as Towelhead or Taliban, or coming from Bongo land, we can appreciate full well the hurt and pain felt by already vulnerable Muslim women when they are described as looking like bank robbers and letterboxes. So rather than hide behind sham and whitewash investigations, when will the Prime Minister finally apologise for his derogatory and racist remarks,
Thank you very much, and I commend my honourable friend, the member for Batley and Spence, for having secured this important, sensitive but timely debate to commemorate the 20th anniversary of the 2002 Gujarat riots on behalf of bereaved constituents. Does my honourable friend agree that those riots, the death and destruction, displayed the very worst of humanity, whereas it's actually important, it's crucial that we acknowledge the importance of respect for all religions, and the importance of living peacefully side by side? And does she also agree with me that it's imperative that the victims actually receive justice, finally, from the authorities?
I thank my right honourable friend for his intervention, and I agree absolutely with what he said. We have to ensure that we find a way, wherever possible, to live peacefully. And I will talk about that in more detail as I continue my speech.